In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly sync Slack with Google Calendar. If you spend a lot of time in Slack, integrating your Google Calendar can be a real game changer. This integration helps keep all your meetings, events, and reminders at your fingertips without constantly switching back and forth between applications. So let's get started. First, head over to your Slack workspace. If you're already logged into Slack, you're halfway there. From here, look at the left sidebar and find the section labeled Apps. Clicking on this will give you access to all the apps you can integrate with Slack. Now we're going to add a new app, so click on Add Apps. This will open a directory full of integrations designed to boost your productivity. In the search bar of this directory, type Google Calendar. Almost instantly, you'll see the Google Calendar app appear in the results. Go ahead and click Add. This action will initiate the process of linking your Google Calendar with your Slack account. Once you've clicked Add, keep an eye out for a new window to appear. This window will ask you to further confirm this addition, so make sure to click Add to Slack. Completing this step grants initial permissions for Slack to link up with Google Calendar. Next, you'll be prompted to click Allow to grant Google Calendar access to your Slack workspace. Giving this permission allows the integration to work seamlessly and ensures that your calendar updates are communicated properly in Slack. After you've hit Allow, you'll need to choose the Google account you want to sync. This is crucial, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts for work, personal use, or other projects. Be sure to select the account where your calendar is actively managed. Once you've selected the correct account, click Continue. Now it's time to decide exactly what information Slack can access. You can customize this to suit your needs, choosing whether Slack can see your calendar events, send reminders, and more. After you've made these selections, click Continue once more. With these steps completed, you should receive a confirmation that your Google Calendar is now fully integrated with Slack. You'll find that your meeting alerts, calendar events, and important reminders will begin appearing in your Slack channels or direct messages depending on how you configure the notifications. And there you have it. Your Slack workspace and Google Calendar are now synced, helping you stay organized and informed without missing a beat. Thanks for watching, and I hope this integration makes your day-to-day communications even more seamless. Happy organizing,